It should be working now. Yeah, looks like it working. Yeah, it's working now. So that was a weird problem. Let's just continue where we were. Okay. Is it making sound uh, if I'm typing? like yeah. Continue. Okay, let me just first select that. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we are gonna create
Wait a second.
a passcode lock system inside Unreal Engine. Like if I go to any of these stores and let's try to open this up, you'll see first I need to type a password to open the door.
No, we don't want to do that. I want the UI thing to interact with the system. Yeah, I'll just stay with my personal approach. I'll rename it keypad. Sorry, on DP. Okay, and I'll add box collision. Yeah. And what should be the scale? So it's 0.5 right now. 0.5. Okay. And I'll make a value for it, value variable, which is gonna be integer, and yeah, sorry, which should be instance editable. Yeah, and I can just script component. Okay, we don't need those thing here. We'll just delete those, and we're gonna yeah, I'll make keypad number variable, which is gonna be in not the integer. It should be the data type of the keypad button blueprint, and I'll make it instance editable and an array. Okay, and then hmm. Can I just make a child? Yeah, that's perfect. I'll just make the size of the I'll adjust the size of the position box to like 0.1 maybe. What the heck? No, it should be it needs to be a little more smaller than these. Maybe 0.05. Yep, like that. I'm gonna adjust that there. Wait. I'll duplicate that. We'll add that there. No. Okay. Then select all those so you have to copy that again. And copy one more time. Okay, and we need one more for 0. Or maybe yeah, these one needs to be like a little back. From right. Why the fuck I'm selecting with the door open? Okay, that's great. Oh, 12 people's watching. And I'll just assign their value to them in instance for each keypad button blueprint according to their corresponding number. Oh, sorry. For that will be 5. That's 26. 7, 8, and 9, and one more. The last one will be 0. Yeah, 0. I'll just rename this one and limit this one 0. Okay, that's perfect. So Uh, I'll need to open the player blueprint. To make a trace, it's gonna, yeah, we don't know that. We'll just call the, we'll just check if it's tracing the keypad or not. But it also needs to get detect, and it should say like print 1, print 2, and it's like the crosshair is pointing toward the particular number. 14 people is watching. Let me just show you. Okay, 17 people's watching. Where is the traces for checking the interactable variable? Alright guys, I need to like check if let's just check the full blueprint. It's working though. Like, execute the interact, not this one. Where the heck does, okay, send out text, and where is that being called? I just check the send text. Make it level 7. Uh, 18 people watching. Just check if it's a player blueprint. Where is that? Not that one. Finger before. The heck is the player blueprint? It's not being called here. It must be called. Oh, I should have checked it in event begin play. Yeah, yeah, here, and that goes here. Yeah, here. So display text and when okay. Oh, so declare get first. Oh, it checks if it has the DPI interact and the the keypad button should have that interface. DPI interact, yeah, like that, and yeah, just call that. I'm gonna add. Sorry, I'm gonna add the variable display. So, display text, and it's gonna be. Is it? Yeah, so it's text, and I'll just add that there. And maybe I'll just append. Can't append the text. Sorry. I don't think it should have that variable. I'll just make an firstly I need to make it a string though for select yeah this, then we're gonna append it. I'll right here press and get the value and just get that there. Okay, so it will say press 1, press 2, whatever the value is set for the corresponding keypad button. 40 people's watching. Really? 41 and no one is coming in right now. Okay. Let's continue to where is this? Yeah, second door. Just remove that. Not even fixing. Get the second door. I'll just add 10 index here for buttons, and then I'm gonna add by serial number. Okay. And then second door movement. Just leave that. When player interacts, get the hit actor. Okay. I don't need that. I'll just remove this. Yeah, hit component. It needs we don't need that variable. We need to add the reference for the second door. Door F. That's gonna be second. Yeah. And make that instance editable. Yeah. Okay. And then call that event execute. So whenever it calls here in keypad button, I'll hit the door if, and I'll just remove that here, and I'm even gonna remove the interface. We don't need that anymore. In the second door, I'll just need that in the keypad button. I'm gonna make a custom event here, which is gonna be enter passcode value. Sorry, passcode. Yeah, code value, passcode number, and then I'll call that here. Yeah, and even we need the input here as an integer. Get that value here. I thought one more thing just now. We need the backspace button here. Yeah. Let's just keep it simple right now. I'll call it digit and the number, and then password. What's that? Okay, okay, that's a door building. Just move that there. Firstly, password initiator, yeah, it's empty, so it's gonna just remove these all 0 and we'll start from like single digit simultaneously when we are keep adding the numbers. So I'll just put that directly there, and it shouldn't cross the 4 digit. So okay, we set that value. But just clamp. Maybe if I can clamp. No, I can clamp. Let me check. Okay. Checking here. No, wait a second. We already did that here. Mm, check for if it's 4. Yeah, once it's 4 and it's not equal to, hold on. You just need to make it empty. Doesn't matter if it's correct or not. No, we'll just keep that there. Hmm. So mm, make a space a little bit here to update that number in widget. Get the passcode widget and okay, it's digit here. I'll get the digit variable, yeah, and set text. Okay. Now let's check that if it's working or not. Yeah, it should work. Just a second. Yeah. Just a second. I think should can. Nope. Visibility. It's working. Wait. So, I just noticed the text is not working, like the if it's interactable or not, like I press 1 or 2. Maybe the timer. It was. Yeah. Everything in graphs. Just like that. Track text. We hear something is wrong. Looping. This is not passing, I think. Oh, my bad. It should be in false. So the whole time I was doing wrong, and it was never printing the text. Yeah, let's see that. It's working now. Yeah, some of the buttons don't have the display text or something like that. Unless I need to add the space button, press 1 2 like when I add the append thing here. Yeah, there should be. It's not. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Press E. Oh, okay. So I'll make it like press E. Okay, that's good. So yeah, press E for 1, for 2, for 0. Or maybe I think I need to make this blue the keypad a little bit bigger, because that's very tough to interact with it. Maybe one with that one. Sorry, no. 6 should work. Or 7. Yeah. 3. 6. I need to adjust the keypad buttons here. Select the whole thing here. I'm gonna move it 3. Looks correct though. Let's check. No, I think it will be like 0.4. Or something. Yeah, let's do now for the rest of the buttons. I'll make it 0.5 for each, and I'm gonna pull them out a little bit. Hmm. This is what I'm consuming. Looks like it needs to be fixed vertically too. And at 0.5 minute. And 0.5 horizontally. traffic on 5. Sorry, my right. Done. So think I should check now it's working, the door opening, the lock opening. Let's for an example, I'll say like 2026 as a password. Yeah, it's working, but it's let it be. It doesn't bother me anymore. Let it be there on the door itself. I'm gonna place that outside of this the door. For that, we just switch off that for now. And there is a floor. I'm gonna make it like a little bit corridor, not a corridor, like an LI. Yeah, you can call it a corridor. So we'll just delete that and make it bigger. This axis, it should be like somewhere around 20. And that's gonna be okay. There should be a little bit wrong here. Or should I make the door in the corner? Or is it fine here? Just a second, guys. One is this. Okay. I need to make the wall here. I'll just bring that here. And make it a little bit smaller. Maybe two should be not two. Three. Let me just check that. I can't see that even. Get these, not this spotlight. It should be point right. Yeah. Another. Here, another. Here. And here. Just keep an eye. What time I'm doing. Okay, and we that wall again here. I need to close this area. Or I'll think about that later. I'll just make the base here first. Should be like that. And I'll just make it smaller as it was earlier. It doesn't even make sense. Okay, I'll just do that. I need one more here. Yeah, like that. Okay. So where's the another door? And this, no, not this one. Which one was the door button? Second door, not that one. First door. What the heck was that? Interactables buttons, and that was door button. That is that. Okay, it's on the back. Okay, yeah, there. Store is opening, and two. So what's wrong now? Oh shit. Let me just bring the light under there to at least I can see. Okay. The keypad buttons. There it goes. Should happen. The door opened. Yeah. Something like that. I'm gonna change the crouch button because pressing C while like while having a movement is pretty difficult. So I'm gonna switch that to the control hold. So where is the crouch? That should be control, left control. So you can press and hold by the pinky button. Sorry, pinky finger. I can go back. Oh, oh, it's something glitched there. Okay. Chance. Please, yeah, that's perfect. So the exit door task list is checked. 3 doors. Door lock. Okay, the door lock hint is not done yet. Main menu, loading screen, audio. Okay, there's one more thing is important to for this game is making a spray system. I need to make a spray system, but I have built the spray system, but it was like it was not the dynamic one. It was like pasting a sticker on a wall. So I don't want to do that for this game. I need a spray system like you can actually make whatever you want. So like you can mark the button. When you press any kind of button, you can mark that button as any initial as you want. So that's an important mechanic here. So I need to check tutorials for that. I never built that system. I'm more kind of animation programmer, but making a gameplay, doing a gameplay programming is like a bit headache for me. Spray this system in Okay, I got the tutorial.
Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can paint with render targets inside of Unreal Engine. To get started, I'm in the first person Unreal Engine project template, and the first thing we're going to do is...
Let me just I'll do that one. For now.
Add a paintbrush to the middle of the screen. This is where the player is going to be aiming and painting their paintbrush. So to get started, if you just create a new folder called UI, right click and go user interface, select a widget blueprint, select user widget, and just call this the paintbrush underscore widget blueprint. Then if we double click and open this up, we want to go over to the palette and look for the canvas panel and just drag this somewhere into the screen. Then we want to look for an image, and again just drag this somewhere inside of the screen. For the image, make sure to anchor to the center of the screen. Then for the position X and position Y, make it -5. And then for the size X and size Y, make them 10. And this will make it so this image is directly in the middle of the screen, and this is going to be where my player aims their paintbrush. We just want to compile and save this. Then head over to your first person character or your character and go to event begin play. So event begin play, we are going to create a widget, and that widget is going to be the paintbrush that we just made. Then we just want to add this to the viewport. We can compile and save this. The next thing we're going to do is create the materials that my player is going to be painting with. So if we just go over to a folder called materials, if you don't have one, just create one. And then to create our first material, we just want to right click, go material, and just call this canvas. So this is going to be the material that the player is going to paint on. We just want to double click and head inside here. Right click and look for constant, and just connect this into metallic and specular. And then for the base color of this, we just want to right click and look for texture sample 2D. So this one, texture sample parameter 2D. And just call this the render target. Keep note of whatever you call this. And just connect from RGB into base color and go apply. So this is, like I said, this is going to be the background of our canvas. We can just close this. Then we just want to right click, go create new material, and just call this the brush underscore matte. So this is what we're going to be painting our canvas panel with. Head inside here, and we just want to change the blend mode to translucent. Then we just want to right click and look for texture sample parameter 2D again. And we just want to call this the brush texture. And we just want to connect from RGB into emissive color and from A into opacity, and just go apply. And then later we're going to configure this so we can replace this with our own custom brush texture. We can close this. The next thing we're going to do is create a blueprint, and this is going to be the canvas which the player is going to paint on. So I'm actually just going to create a new folder and just call this blueprints. I'll head inside here, right click, go blueprint class, select actor, and I'm just going to call this my canvas underscore blueprint. Head inside here. Then if you go over to the components tab and go add and look for a static mesh, and just call this the canvas. So this mesh is going to be the mesh that we paint upon. And if you briefly close Unreal Engine and just go over to settings, just make sure to go to show engine content. Then if we head back to the canvas panel blueprint, under static mesh, we should be able to look for plane, and we just want to look for this plane. This isn't earlier. We just want to drag off here and look for.
Yes. I'll just check if anything like that is available on flat. I don't want to waste my time on that. Spring. Spring. They were built for 5.6, but it's not in C++. And that it's gonna be in the ass to like make it go for 5.8. Looks like it's low. Okay, it's still 100% rebuilt. Hmm. Okay, but that's so let's just paint. Let's just mm, mm, 5.8. So this looks the right one. I'm gonna get this one. Uh, just the second one. Mm. 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 I think I need to. Mm. So yeah, just need the payment. Ah, mm. So we got the spray system. Yeah. I'm gonna add that in the project. What the heck is wise? Kind of loading. Let me check on the web fab. What was that? Paint system. System. Oh, we got that in here. I need to create it. Give a little bit description about the game you are winning, like the outline of game will be. Okay, so the game is gonna be inspired from the Symbol 2009 Japanese movie. The game could fall into the horror or maybe a weird. It can't be specific genre. It's kind of weird game design. Like there will be a lot of the buttons in the room on the all 4 of the walls. You need to like survive and find the exit door. To survive there is gonna be food, but you need to find through the like pressing the buttons, and yeah, you need to manage the health system, like you need to find toilet to like digest the food you have like consumed, and then there could be a danger system for when you're pressing there could be a danger, like a moving laser or maybe a ball launcher or a swinging ball, and maybe you are getting slapped or getting punched through the ceiling. Just a second, guys. Something went wrong. Yeah, and yeah, there gonna be some of the object to like move faster to save the time while the timer is going on. Like the final door is not gonna stay open for the entire time. It's gonna be like for the 20 or 10 second. So you need to be quick enough to like get there fast and open the second door by entering the passcode. So you need to be quick for that. And yeah, there's no gonna be like a gameplay tutorial. It will be depending on the player. He needs to find all the clues by pressing the button. That's the whole point of the game. So the button is the main culprit of this game, and the mesh is gonna be a little weird. I didn't add the original mesh in the game right now. I'll be disclosing that in the game trailer and the demo. The final gameplay, not the final, like the last 30% is not gonna be in the demo. Just I'm gonna like the first 70%, like the gameplay in the only in the room is gonna be in demo, and demo will end if you exit out through the door. That's it. And but in the main gameplay there is gonna be a little bit extended gameplay. I'm not gonna tell that to you guys right now, and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna stream the final game development. Maybe I can show the actual movie I'm talking about. Symbol, this one. It's the Japanese movie. You can find the English dub. Maybe I saw the English dub. This is kind of a little weird movie. He just spawns, maybe not in the movie. He doesn't spawn. He just wake up in an empty room with a bunch of buttons, weird buttons. So like that's the whole point of the gameplay. I took the inspiration, but not the story is not gonna be the exact same of this movie. The story is like entirely different from this movie. My story is little toward the horror. This movie's story is like little what we can say. I don't have the specific word for it. You need to watch that movie. It's funny, I guess, for you guys. Because I find that movie funny. Is what I'm I need to make this 5.6 project. Sorry, 5.7 project. Let me see if I even have 5.7. Yeah. But why I'm not able to make the project without then a simple graphic system open. Simple method. So it's not in the Unreal library, it's just in the Fab library. The program contain. Oh. Yeah. I'll just migrate the blueprints from 5.7 to 5.8. Or maybe just yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, one more thing. I need to change some of the food mesh, like sushi, in the game, because it is having a weird physics right now. So I couldn't find the problem currently. Whatever, I'll just swap that later. It's not the big deal right now. So that's the let me just open the can I open that in 4.8? It should. Let me check the optimization first, if it's dropping any FPS or not. Stand FPS. So that's perfectly fine. Let me check how it's working. Okay, checks the overlap. Okay. Stop spray, and then what about the player? This person, is it this one? Input touch. Okay, we can do that. What's the vision? Okay. By the way, I didn't check the Q to open the spray menu. Left click, press into. Okay. So like this. It just erased the whole thing. And oh. Oh, nice. And getting down, stylish, color. Nice. I'll just put there in point. Sorry, I know for it. Where is asset action? Yeah, am I correct? Well, I'll do the whole thing in my. Okay, well, you got it. Okay. So I'm gonna copy the code in the character. Character movement. So Use dispatcher. Can leave. Leave only spray menu. Close spray. Okay, one close. 1, 2. Let's make inputs first. That's gonna be I'll just copy that and we'll mark as spray. And goes here. That's left mouse button. And for the color tab, I think I should use R. Yeah, R should be the right choice. Color tab. So the color tab and will be at R. And then there will be, yeah, for the undo, I will immediate another one, which is gonna be Z. We'll just copy that, and then we'll be going in here. I'll make another graph which will be dot spray graph. Yeah. So I'll get that spray. Right, what is it? Let's spray. IA spray, and then this goes in started and this goes in completed. We'll just close that. I'm gonna delete the touch thing. We are not making for mobile. Color tab, okay. Start with undo. My bad. To make the event dispatcher means you can just okay, and we need to make one on use return. I can just copy and paste there. This on lead item, and then another lead, open spray menu and close spray menu. Important to okay. We need to. We don't need the spear position. We do have the pickup system. Let's just do it that. So when okay, I'll add the interface VP interact, and I'm gonna give that execute interact here, and then I'll do I need to cast the I don't need to. I'll just get that as I'll make that, I'll promote that as a variable. Okay, I am going delete the character reference, the older character reference, and just click on use item. Like that. And on these. These. No, for meaning on you. But yeah, that one. Just give that. Give this thing. Oh, sorry. We didn't get on the first one. Just we'll spot that thing first. And replace the then another one is open spray menu. Binding was there. Another one close. What the heck? Oh, it's not on close, it just spray. Bind, yeah. Spray binding. The last one is going to be to find even the and delete that. Yeah, there we go. Is there any character tracing? Okay, yeah. Please, let's show. That's the component. I need to add a component here to. I'll just add one. Spray socket and just copy that name and get that here. Not that close, just a little bit further. And 25 would be great. 20 and 60. That's perfect. And get the component here, which will be spray socket Yeah, that one. Just connect that there for the attaching the actor to component. Just add that as a family component and make it into it. I'll just adjust that a little bit. Okay, then sure, let's see. So it's not tracing the spray can, which is weird. Let me check the collision. What it is? The collision. Oh, sorry. Where will take this? Overlap. Felix. Looks correct. Still. Something else. It's visibility. Well, maybe let's try the camera. First turn on the camera. Oh, sorry, I should not do this one. Actually, yeah. Okay. No. It's this one. It's passing through this. Oh. I like it. Why it's happening. So there is a problem. But here, food sachet, breaking sound. Okay. That should work. I'll decrease the radius of that capsule by maybe 10. Yeah, maybe that's but let's to be a little bit more like let's take 35 or maybe 40. Maybe 45. That's yeah, it's working. Now I need to adjust the arrow for this. We'll just add that in the camera so that I can keep that in the eyesight. And I need to adjust the a little bit the positioning by just pulling into a lower, maybe 20. That should be 35. Not 35. It should be 25. It should be 30. And take it more 40. $35. Yeah, that's perfect. Where is the rotation? Attaching rotation. Okay, snaps. So I think it needs to be like -90 so that the point is display point is facing, yeah, forward. Nice. And I'll just close that. Let me just not remove that for duration so that I can shake thinly. Okay, is it? Yeah, color tab is working. I can change square diamonds. Okay, the size is working. Yeah, size is working. The color is working. Yeah, white balance. Yeah, fine. So this thing is not working, I guess. So I'll just remove that. When we hit the open spray menu, oh, I need to add that color, I guess. Yeah. I'll add. Let's keep first one white. The second one should be red. Yeah. Yeah. The third one should be orange. Okay. That should be 0.225. This one is going to be yellow. So after that, green. And green. Then slime. After slime, that should be dark blue. Then let me check. Okay, then purple and pink and black. For purple, I just need to take this as 0.5, maybe 0.25. Here. Works. This one is going to be pink. Last one is black. Let's check if it's working. It has not. Background color. Whatever for camera, I'm just doing those. Same from here. The whole thing. Yes. We don't need that. Just Yeah. Then yeah, the spray system is done. I see one thing is when the physics system for the spray. I didn't have the physics for spray. Is the spray system. Simulate physics. Whenever it's picked up, just change the physics settings. Set relative equation to whatever currently is. So it doesn't it's the relative equation. Okay. Let's see if it works. Oh, how can I drop? Okay, there is no drop system right now, so I need to make it. Yeah, let's equate. Now I think if it is picked up, the player should state itself as an equate. Set equate. Yeah. Yeah, like that. I'll make any variable like to add the reference of the picked item so that it can detach equipped item. It's gonna be active. Yeah. And it's showing the interact system. Yeah, it's equipped. Yeah, if it's equipped, just I said that here. I don't think it's gonna bug out the buttons. Because that don't say the equipped or not. And if is riding, how did I set up the driving system? So for driving, it's F. So you can mess with that with if he is riding in that setup, is equipped. No. And does it say it is equipped? Okay. Here. If we pick the spray, no, I think I need to make an extra variable to check he is equipped with spray, specifically for spray. there. It's been 2 hour and 40 minutes since streaming. Maybe in 20 minutes I'm gonna cut the stream. I think it should check first if he is equipped with spray. Sorry, it should be a boolean. And then maybe if it's true, then it should go to not. So there, self, and then if it's false, it should go to that branch. Just delete that and get the set spray. Wait. Set tick. And I'll add a flip flop here. Maybe it's not the right way, I think, but let's see if it's worked or not. If it does, character reference should not be there. Still that. Then get detach from component. Which one? It does not matter. Right. And we'll set it to simulate again. It should work. Or to spray, start spray open. Okay. Hey, it works. Nice. And one more thing is there, that it should only spray if it's equipped with the spray. Either it will keep calling the binded custom events. Great. Okay, I'll mark the spray system as done. So things are remaining right now. Like main menu, player HUD, audio system, for the whole gameplay, and then yeah, the loading levels as it that needs to be done correctly, and yeah, the VHS thing is remaining currently, and even the background blur for like the focus system for the camera. These are the few things are remaining, and some of the jump scare and all. So it's almost done, and then I'll start cleaning up the thing for production ready, publish ready. Yeah, I think I didn't add the spawn button. This spray is not gonna be already there. It is gonna be spawn. So let's. I have 7 minutes. I'll try to finish that spawn. Spawning thing in 10 minutes. 7 minutes. Let's spawn where the box. Yeah, box button. And that will be spray spawn. Open that. I'm gonna delete few variables. Let's just delete the whole code first. Temperature spawner, impulse, target interactable. That. So just add. I'll get do once first because spray is gonna spawn only one time in the entire gameplay. Like there will be only one spray, and that's gonna be unlimited. Yeah, I should keep unlimited. Not gonna like squeeze out the layers. Perspective. Size one, the actor spray can, and get the world, world transform. Get the world transform. That's gonna get there. Let me check if how I spell that thing. What's the idea? The arrow is not for the spawn stuff. It just get the actor transform. And I'm gonna break this wing, split it up, split in that. Add the rotation, split location, split location. Just put the x and y value as it is, and I'll add an amount of value like 200 over the button on z-axis. That's all. Even we need to add the impulse on it, so that's gonna be like I'll just copy the code here. Get skeletal mesh, add impulse, get, okay, that's the rotation. We don't need the 5,000 because just 3,000 will be enough. Okay, let's add the spare somewhere. Here. Okay, here. Wait. Wait, that's correct though. It should work now. Did it work? It seems like I think I should just decrease the impulse. And it is launching it too much. Just remove the impulse. So impulse should be also right. I think the button is not facing in the right direction. Yeah. Alright. It's working. Just need to fix one bug. Let's finish that and we'll aim this way. We'll check if color tab is open or no. Which will allow us to just stop dropping the spray can if the UI is on color, for the for the color tab. So if it yeah, I'll add branch here. Color tab is open. Okay, it should be false. Yeah. Now it's gonna work as we want. Let's open the color tab. Oh. And yeah, it's not dropping. Until yeah, nice. Or maybe I can just if I no, the flip-flop will just gonna run this thing. I'll fix this code later, but it's working fine. Right, so that's it for today. Goodbye.